It is the Friday edition of The Law and You right here on Eyewitness News. Joining us right now, attorneys Ciarimboli and Molly Clark, who is in for Greg, who's probably at the world's tannest competition right now, tanning up.
Oh,
He's sunning himself every day.
Oh, the oil all over the place. Listen, I got to put you on the spot. At the beginning of the summer, you said we wouldn't have 5 days over 90 degrees.
We haven't yet.
It's getting close, though.
It's getting closer, but some of these days, 88, 89 doesn't officially count.
I gotcha. It's getting close. It's hot.
Here's the list for today in terms of our question. Mary in Hunlock Creek says, my son recently overdosed on opioids. I want to sue his doctor. Can I? So what can Mary do with this one?
You know, Mary, we had Representative Aaron Coffer on recently, and we were actually, we were talking about the opioid crisis in not only in our area, but in, statewide. And this is something that we're seeing more often. Can you have a lawsuit against a doctor who is prescribing or over-prescribing, opioids? We've looked at these, a couple of times. They're very difficult. You as the mom, unless your son or daughter is under the age of 18, you cannot file a claim, directly. It would have to be your son or daughter, and then it would, basically be a malpractice case. Molly, tell her what she's going to need to do, to have a malpractice case, the steps that we would need to take in order to help them out.
Okay, yeah, and again, Eddie's right. I mean, as long as your son or daughter's under 18, then you can go ahead and do that. However, if they're over 18, you can't do anything. If you wanted to go ahead and he's under 18 and you want to pursue the claim, then you actually would need to get the medical records and take a look at them, because really in these cases they're very hard to prove, but if there's some documentation within the medical records that indicates an over-prescribing of these medications and that you'd be able to prove your claim, then you would have a claim and you would be able to pursue it.
Yeah, they're tough. They're very, I mean, it's a problem. The legislature certainly needs to address this problem, but it really is becoming more and more prevalent.
And if you need any advice or direction with an opioid issue, I know they will help you out. You can give them a call or hit them up online. Results Matter with attorneys Molly Clark and Ciarimboli. Thanks for being here.
Thanks, Dave.
Thanks.
PAHomepage.com and the Law and You hotline are there for you.